Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. So today we are going to be making a DIY fall wreath using only a Dollar Tree products. Everything that I got here I got from the Dollar Tree. I got the wreath. This is an 18-inch wreath, decorative mesh. I was not sure on what type, so I went a little crazy, probably more, but I just love fall colors, so I couldn't figure out which one I wanted to use. And then we have some floral wire, and then also some maple leaves. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take off all of these tags because we don't need any of them. But again, I got several different flowers and stuff that I just didn't know what I wanted to use for my wreath. So I got a little bit of everything. These are just so cute. I just love them. Everything from the Dollar Tree. I think I spent maybe about 20 bucks on everything. Alright you guys, so we have our 18-inch wreath. We have orange, green, brown, and yellow mesh. I put them all together, and what I'm doing is I'm just going to work them through the 3 levels and make them all nice and pretty. If I still feel like this is going to be bland, or you can still see the wiring and it doesn't look as full, then I'll just go back and do a little bit more. But this is what we're going to do. Ooh, I like that. Not bad. Look at that, you guys. So what I did is I just put all 4 of them together and then wrapped them like this. Now I know that you can still see some green, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it again. I'm just going to fill it up as much as possible to where you can see the green. And then we can start putting a little bit of the leaves on, like this, so you guys can see it. It's gonna look great, and I'm super excited to show it to you guys. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just breaking off a couple of pieces of flowers that I feel would look good together. Before I start putting my leaves on. I'm still working on how I'm going to lay my leaves and where I'm going to put these wires, but I am just trying to get an idea of all the flowers and everything that I like. So I hung up the actual wreath just to get an idea of what it looks like now with like the sunlight and it hanging. So again, I'm trying to go stick with these kind of colors right here, but this is what it looks like so far, you guys. I'm super excited, super impressed at myself that I was able to do it, because this is my very first wreath that I have ever done. So now that I have put my flowers where I'm wanting them, I'm pretty satisfied with them. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to use a couple of the leaves that I got from the Dollar Tree, sporadically lay them out just so it screams fall. I got my glue gun. Well, you guys, this is it. This is the finished look of my first ever fall wreath using only Dollar Tree products. Super excited, super impressed with myself. I got a little frustrated, I'm not gonna lie, because I am not a pro at this, but I think I did pretty good for my very first DIY fall wreath for you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe. Also give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts, and if this is something that you guys are interested in, I will definitely work on trying to do more of these. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bar so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!